In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my IB in Exness. If you're looking to switch your IB, your introducing broker, the correct way to do it is by submitting a support ticket through your Exness personal area. I'll walk you through each click so you can get it done smoothly the first time. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Exness web trading page. Sign into your personal area with your usual credentials so you can access the account settings and support hub. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click the profile icon. This opens a quick menu with account options. From here, select Support to enter the Support Hub, where all help topics and ticket tools are located. Inside the Support Hub, choose Open a Ticket. This is the path you'll use for requests related to your account and programs, including changes to your IB. On the topic selection screen, click Exness Programs. You'll be asked to select a ticket category next. Choose Partnership, since IB-related matters fall under the Partnership program. Then select General Inquiries. This category is ideal for requesting an IB change. Click Continue to move on. You'll now see the ticket form. If you have it, you can enter the partner wallet number. This is optional but helps the support team identify the partner. There's also a field for partner information, which is optional as well. Use it to add the partner's public details or code if you have them. In the description box, clearly state that you want to change your IB, explain your reason briefly, and include any identifiers that support may request, such as your trading account details. Only provide information that's relevant and safe to share. Never include passwords or full payment details. Keep your message clear and concise so the team can act without back and forth. If you have supporting files, like a screenshot of the partner code, a confirmation from the partner, or any proof that might help, drag and drop them into the upload area or click to browse and attach them. This step is optional but can speed up resolution. When everything looks good, click Continue to review your ticket. Make sure your entries are accurate and readable. Finally, click Submit. You should see a confirmation that your ticket has been created along with a reference number. Keep that handy. After submitting, watch for updates in your email and inside your Exness notifications. Response times can vary, but providing complete, clear information usually leads to faster results. If your account is fully verified and you've included the necessary details, the process is typically straightforward.